sound so mad, and I don't know why.
Can't even just concentrate. Came here to get this money straight. Shorty wanna fornicate, that's why she tryna congregate. Stare me up and down the chat, she wanna lick me through the rap. Tryna see what's good with that, cause honestly that ass is fat. It's round and fat, I'm down with that. Down to snack, down to smash. Find a place to catch me, we got lucky at the laundromat. Ladies folding clothes and shit, mad decent exposure it. Old people recording us, knock it down like a bowling pin. What about all the flows you spit? What about all the clothes you wear? What if you roll a split because you know I smell that Doja here? Pass that shit right over here. She just hold it overtime. Bend it like a folding chair. Put that thing in the overdrive.
I ain't no player, I just smash it out. I get whole lot of cash it out. My niggas gotta smash the block. We stack the guap, and you know the extra rock on top of that. You know what time it is.